Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. The integration of e to the power of as ds. We have e to the power of as over a, and I will put about c. The second one, the integration of a to the power of s ds. We have a to the power of s over ln a, and I will put about c. The next one, the integration of 1 over s ds. We have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here. E to the power of s, this one that is about 1s. So we have 3e to the power of 1s over number 1. That is about this one in here. But if we simplify, you got about 3e to the power of s. This one we change into 5 to the power of s multiplied by number 5. So we just concentrate about this one only, and that is about this one. And the last one, we put about -7 ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. That is about this one. And here is about the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.